on figuring that out, I guess. So if you look at all those little tops up here, see all those tops of trees? So we got so many beautiful tiny little tops in such a stormy country. It has little windy storms, and we get tons of little bristly prunings falling all over our roads, different areas all the time go on, where we just think, oh, the wind's brought down a whole bunch of tree remnants. And no, it's actually a pruning, and they just leave it around, so we actually think it was the wind that did it. And everybody in every city will know what I'm talking about if you have any trees local in your area. Trees are so powerful and strong. It takes a lot to make them brittle. It takes a lot. Not to say they can't become brittle, because they are made brittle in some respects of what I'm talking about. Cheers to all.